Here are the top 6 free Google courses for you. Number 1, Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. This is the 40-hour course. Master the fundamentals of digital marketing through a free accredited course with 26 models created by Google trainers. Number 2, Google Ads Training. This is the 15-hour course. Learn how to get the most out of Google Ads through e-learning designed by platform experts. Achieve your marketing goal and connect with more customers. Number 3, Google Analytics 4 tutorials. This is the 1.5 hour course. Master the new Google Analytics 4, though tutorials cover the event-based data collections, setup, conversion, audience, integrations, and many more useful topics. Number 4, Introduction to Generative AI. This is the 45 minutes course. Understand the basic of generative AI, its applications, difference from traditional machine learning, and learn to use Google tools for developing Gen AI apps. Number 5 is my favorite crash course on Python. This is the 32-hour course, introductory Python course. Understand how to use the basic Python structures like strings, list, and dictionaries. Write short Python scripts. And last but not the least, technical support fundamentals. This is 21-hour course. Acquire foundational IT knowledge including software, hardware, operating systems, and troubleshooting methodologies. All the course link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Signing off from you, Praveen.